Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Alpha Elementary School, home of the Gators in Madera, California, part of the Madera Unified School District. Just got done sharing my heart for grades 1 through 6, 3 separate assemblies right here in the cafeteria. The main focus was on positivity, the primary theme. The sub-theme was be your best self, like one of the slides from the PowerPoint for each of those 3 presentations. And the whole idea is that we always have a choice to think positively or think negatively. Human nature, a lot of times we focus on the negative, unfortunately, but we still always have this opportunity to kind of see things as glass half full versus half empty. And so through a series of heartfelt stories, some interactive exercises, some positive hip hop music, of course, just the physical props, the visual aids, I really tried to hammer home these concepts that we never give up, that we try our hardest, that we keep going, we keep persevering, we keep pushing until success happens. And it was cool because, we always talk about what the opposite of success is, and so many think it's failure, but it's really quitting or giving up, right? Or just not trying anymore, because we can fail again and again and again, finally succeed, but if we just don't try, right, obviously we have no shot, right? And so the students really got that, and there was definitely some pin drop moments where they understood that yes, we're going to face some difficult decisions in our life, some difficult experiences, but we can always have this positive mentality, right, to be able to face it, where it can make us stronger if we let it. That's why I wear this shirt for this particular program. The words say keep your head up, but they're upside down on purpose, because if you're feeling down, looking down, or feeling sad as well, it's a reminder to always keep your head up, right, to think positive no matter what. And just from my own personal testimony and some of the pain and challenges that I've been through, whether it was health related or career wise or family and friends, people I've lost, things like that, I think it really did touch some of the students and adults' hearts to be able to hear that and maybe have a connection, to some of the different anecdotes that I was able to implore on their hearts and really impress upon them. And I really also tried to say, hey, part of doing our best, it's definitely giving the effort. You don't always have to be the best, you just have to do your best, right? But it's also in encouraging others and looking for ways to motivate each other. And if we can do that and replace some of the negative thoughts or beliefs in here and in here, whatever we tell our brain and heart it's going to believe, we don't want to tell it something negative. We want to tell it something positive. But if we can try to step into that positivity, now we can go be that light to someone else's heart. And that also ties into the concept that I bring up in every assembly, that we're all true miracles, right? Like with the lines on our hand, I traced one of mine here, but all of us with the lines on our hands, on our palms, have the letter M. Right. Sometimes a faint line connects it, have at least one in each hand. That M does stand for miracle, upside down. W is for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we believe this and buy into it, again, now we can go shine that same ideology, to others around us that maybe have never been told that or have forgotten that. And again, just really try to be able to support one another, right? To lift each other up. And that's really the core of being our best self each and every day, right? So thanks for touching my heart. It was beautiful for the student programs. The parent session later this evening is going to be covering leadership, passion to purpose, right? Where we think about our gifts, our talents, our abilities, what we're great at, and start using them even at a young age to go help others. And that becomes our purpose for why we're even here on this earth, right? That we really think about what's important and the priorities in our life, and it's people first, things second. And we try to really just be there to continue to help one another, that we're all in this together. And we're all in this community, at this school, in this moment, at this time in history, and it's for a reason, right? And it's to be each other's support system. And if someone falls, that we help them up, and we grow together, and we learn together, and we continue to be the best people we can be for this planet together. Great seeing you all. Hope to be back again soon. Have a great rest of the school year for now. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.